Hey everyone, I hope everyone had a nice winter break and an amazing start to the year. I just wanted to do a quick little video for the first video of the year, and I found this cute little vintage papercraft online, so I thought I would give it a try. Because I printed my house really small, I just decided to cut this part off as it would be really fiddly to attach. The side of the roof also had tabs, and I just decided to cut them off. I also cut off the tabs at the chimney where it attaches to the roof just because the model is so small. Also use some cardboard or some balsa wood as the base for the model, just to give it a bit more stability. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I do hope you give it a try.